Here's a Hampton Bay Huntington ceiling fan. I got set the chain to high because it's just for the video, so I'm gonna leave the light on because Mrs. Harris did not want that light on back there, and I'm gonna hook my phone up on the chart. See if it's recording. I wish I had my watch on me, but I'm gonna put my phone on the charger. So just so I can keep recording. I don't want the battery to go down. So here's medium. I like medium speed. I may not show spin down, but I think I probably will, but. And here's high. And once I do spin, I'm not going to reverse it because it's so much dust and they like to leave it on all the time.
There's dust?
I don't know. It's making some noise.
That's why I don't like it on high.
Well, let's do spin down. Medium. Is that your Nike shoes right there?
Stevens. Mr. Harris's.
What kind of shoes do you have?
I do ons.
Yeah. I have Nikes, the red ones.
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah. Still recording? Yep, we're still recording. So. Blades are pretty heavy. I'll tell you a story. They bought the fan back in 1999, and they also had a Hunter fan in their old house, but they left it behind, unfortunately. They should have brought that with them, and they took this fan with them. That's what I'll do with my whole fan collection, because I'll always put my whole fan collection, some of my fans from my collection in my house.
Sounds awesome.
And every time I move out, I may put like Hampton Bay fans in.
Is that your favorite?
No, Hampton Bay's not my favorite anymore. It's Casablanca.
Oh.
But it's just Hampton Bays are just not that interesting, and I just want to keep all of my fans in my collection. So. Got a pretty long spin down time. These blades are so heavy. And, the Fanimation Lobby, the Fanimation Avison, the Enigmas are the one-bladed ones, and they take a long spin down time. And I thought they weren't supposed to, but they are, because they're counterweights. And the Avison does because the blades are extremely heavy, and they have a really sculptural design. I'm still recording, yep. Yeah. Well, the light bulb's out.
Yep.
That is it. That's the Hampton Bay Huntington ceiling fan. Oops. Thanks for watching. Bye.